How's it going, everybody? I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. I went out this morning and tried to get on some crappie, and I did. The water was extremely muddy, as y'all be able to see in the video. But the wind, between the wind, the mud, and everything else, I missed a lot of crappie today. Just couldn't tell that they were on until it was too late. But anyway, the ones I did get in the boat were decent crappie. So I'm gonna try and jump back on them again in the morning, get a little head start on them. I got a little late start this morning, but I've been having back problems and everything else. So, but anyway, I'm gonna jump on again in the morning and see what I can do. But I was gonna show y'all what I was using today, and I'm just experimenting around Crow Marty Beach over there, the Crow Marty area. I've never really fished for crappie over there. I've always done it at Blackshear. But the way I fished in this video here is the way I'll fish over there at Blackshear this time of year. You know, I'll catch crappie in 3-4 foot of water. You know, when the water temps in the 90s. You know, for some reason people think you can't do it, but you can do it, and they are there. At the baits there, the crappie are there. So, but anyway, I was gonna go over what I used today, and it's what I'll be using tomorrow also. But all I got is 2 of these crappie hunters, these 9-foot rods. Moe's Tackle Box has got them up there in Warwick. It's a good little combo. Yeah, I think he's like 50 bucks for them. I've had these for probably 2 years now, going on 2 years, these 2 combos right here. So I mean, for the money, you can't beat it. They've lasted me a while. I got it spooled with 10-pound braid, and I got a 8-pound fluorocarbon leader is what I put on there. And then I using on this one here, I was using a 1/16 ounce head with just a little old straight tail body. And I went with the chartreuse. This is chartreuse glitter because, like I said, that water's so muddy. Now this one right here is a 1/32 head, and this bait here I had Mr. Mike up there at Moe's Bait and Tackle make them for me the other day. And I think they're going to do real good. I caught one of the fish on it in this video, but I lost 2 or 3 on it. So I think this is going to do real good in that stained water. But anyway, I just want to show y'all what rig I was using in this video here. And like I said, you ain't got to go out and spend a ton of money. But these little combos right here, they do a good job. And it's called the Crappie Hunter, made by Shakespeare. I really like these outfits. I've been using these, I know, for 2 years, at least 2 years. But anyway, so I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And if you hadn't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. It helps my channel out a lot, and it don't cost you a dime. But anyway, like I said, we're gonna go back tomorrow. We're gonna try and jump on them jokers early. I'm gonna try and get me an early start tomorrow, and see if the early morning bite's any better. We'll see what we can do. But anyway, I hope everybody has a blessed evening, and Lord willing, I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, there's crappie number 1, y'all. Summertime crappie. Yes, sir. That's what we're doing. Come here, baby. Come here. We're gonna let you go. There we go. Summertime crappie. There's number 1. Right on the top of the old juggle. Come out of there. Well, I'm trying to get him loose, y'all, so y'all can daggum. I mean, he hit old cuz right on the top of the head, right where he's supposed to. Daggum. Alright, there we go, y'all. That's number 1. He ain't very big. What, 10, 11 inches long, 10 inches long maybe. It's alright. See if we can get some more. I don't know what we got. We done messed around and got the gar, y'all. We done messed around and got a gar. Look at that. Day in the morning. Come on off of there, boy. Whew, I've changed my leader after this. Daggone. Sorry, jokers, man. Man. Alright, y'all. Y'all let me take care of this dude. Look at that crap. See if I can get him, y'all. If I can hold on to this sucker. Look at that crap. And once they get bigger, about 4 foot long, that right there's some good eating. That's some good eating right there when they get about 4 foot long. Get your butt out of here. Dang. Alright, I got to change my leader, y'all. We'll be right back. There we go, y'all. What we got? What we got? Got a little old bass. Little old bass. Little old large head. There we go, y'all. It ain't very big, but ain't very big. But old summertime crappie head. Yes, sir. 10 inches, I guess. Yep. Old summertime crappie. No wind getting with it. See if we can get another one out of there. Ooh, that wind's rough, y'all. There he is. There he is, y'all. There he is. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Summertime crappies. Love it. Love it. Boy, if we ain't giving me a fit. Another 10-incher. Well, he might be. I don't know. He might be. They still fun to catch. Don't care what size they are, they still fun to catch. See if we can't get another out there. Taking a little bit of finessing with them today, but we're getting bit. Just ain't catching those giants. Missed him, y'all. Missed him. They're not real aggressive. I can't get this boat to sit still up against this stuff for nothing. Oh, he hit it. He hit it, y'all. He ain't get it though. He's hitting it. He just won't take it. Yeah. Oh, I missed him, I missed him, I missed him. I missed him, I missed him, I missed him. Another one just hit it. I don't know why they're not. He hit it hard. Why ain't he getting it though? There's plenty of crappie right there, y'all. I might have to try another color just to see. I'm getting plenty of hits right there. Now the wind done changed directions on me. Plenty of crappie right there, I guarantee you. Boy, that wind's rough. There we go, y'all. Whew, time I cut the dang camera off. They down there, but this wind is giving me one more kind of fit. Ain't nothing wrong with him neither. Yes sir, pretty crappie. Pretty. See if we can't get us a nugget. Right back under there where you come from. Well, as y'all can see, it was tough out there today. Hot, wind blowing 100 miles an hour, muddy water. But hey, Lord give us another day to go out there and fuss and complain and everything else. So me and old BB tried to get it done, and she hung in there like a champ. So we're gonna go back after them tomorrow. So I hope everybody has a good night, and we'll see y'all on the water.